August. Today is the last day of 2025 and हम जा रहे हैं ऑस्टिन. यहाँ से फ्लामाउंट से 2 hours है.
4 hours.
It's 4 hours. Okay, it's 4 hours. तो 2 hours में हम break लेंगे and then वहाँ पे I think there are some nice fireworks and events and everything going on. So let's see. हम कभी गए नहीं हैं. It is the first time we'll be.
And this time around, like वो event ना CNN cover कर रहा है, so CNN and Cooperson और सीधे host है, they will be there.
Yeah, so let's see how's the vibe there. It will be a new thing for us as well. So let's go together and see how the new year starts there in Texas. Ciao. ये ट्रक उल्टा चल रहा है. We are on our way to Waco. मिड में पहुंचने वाले हैं 20 मिनट में. उल्टा नहीं चल रहा है, ये खींचा जा रहा है सीधे ट्रक से.
खड़ो रहे बाप.
Hi guys, so it's been 2 hours exactly. It is 1:42 and हम वैको पहुंच गए हैं. अब हम यहाँ पे शॉर्ट ब्रेक लेंगे जिसमें हम कुछ खाएंगे. We have found ourselves a nice Indian restaurant. Let's try and see how it is. इस एरिया में I think ऑस्टिन में we'll get more Indian food, but यहाँ पे
2-3 रेस्टोरेंट.
क्या नाम है रेस्टोरेंट का?
टिक्का.
इंडियन ईटरी बार एंड ग्रिल टिक्का हाउस. नाम से तो अच्छा लग रहा है. तो लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है. वील हैव अ लिटिल ब्रेक मंचिंग एंड देन वील शो यू अराउंड. चलो लेट्स गो. ये है, दिस इज इन वैको राइट. यहाँ बगल में स्टारबक्स है. टिक्का हाउस इंडियन ईटरी बार एंड ग्रिल. देयर आई कैन सी बबाज एज वेल. टैको कासा भी देख पा रही हूँ मैं. लेट्स सी क्या मिलता है हमें टिक्का हाउस में. मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा है मैंगो लस्सी पीने का. आई होप दे हैव इट. ड्रिंक्स में मैंगो फलूदा है, मैंगो शेक है. चलो आई विल हैव मैंगो शेक एटलीस्ट. टुडे स्पेशल अचारी पनीर टिक्का, तंदूरी पॉम्फ्रेट, चिकन कौरमा, वेज स्प्रिंग रोल, बड़ा पाव, चिकन एंड वेज मोमो. चलो लेट्स गो. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. दैट्स माय फिट फॉर टुडे. हाय. Ambience inside. I like this Taj Mahal. We've been here, na? Agra. This is the ambience. Sort of nice. That's the Christmas tree. That's the kitchen. So this is the menu. They have quite extensive menu. अमृतसरी फिश खाएगा क्या? खाना चाहिए फिश.
But they will take a lot of time.
Okay, आलू चिली, हक्का नूडल्स, फ्राइड राइस, बटर नान, गार्लिक नान, बुलेट नान, कश्मीरी नान, सूप है.
Any charge?
ये तो मेन कोर्स हो गया. वेजिटेरियन. दिस इज ऑल्सो मेन कोर्स. चिकन आ गया, बिरयानी आ गई, राइस आ गया, डेजर्ट आ गया. मैंगो लस्सी तो है. आई विल हैव वन मैंगो लस्सी. और साथ में क्या खाऊँ मैं?
Appetizer, take one appetizer.
Okay, so we have a mango lassi and let me try how it is. He has his own. Let's take a sip test.
It's tasty like maza.
Yeah, it's thick. Usually you have to squeeze out to get it into your mouth. It's thick and it has a mango flavor, refreshing. Not that much sweet. Good. We've got our roti pe boti. Looks interesting. This is chicken or this is lamb?
This is lamb on top of roti.
Roti is flaky.
It's just like a flaky paratha. Huh? Let me tell you.
How is it?
It's roasted lamb.
And how's the roti?
I haven't tasted it.
I have tasted roti. I didn't like that at all. Can you try? I don't know. Probably it was tasting like chicken. It is a weird smell to it, na? Nahin?
No, that's the smell of lamb.
अच्छा तभी.
Lamb smells different than chicken.
It's like parota. The roti is like parota. है ना?
It's a parota.
Can you show the pieces? How's the lamb?
This skillet. This is just like a barbecue beef. Instead of beef, it's lamb.
Nice. Nice is like Indian taste or different? Indian taste?
Middle Eastern taste.
Middle Eastern, okay. So first you can eat some lamb booty raw, and then you can take it as a wrap. I can roll it and have it as a wrap.
Too difficult to eat.
It's more nice like a wrap, or the pieces are more nice? The pieces. Okay, you can take your time to talk. Without the wrap, it's more nice.
It's like more like a molecule.
हाँ, right. Yeah. I've got my safe puri. These are basically little golgappas, fried, and they are stuffed with yogurt, mint chutney, and potato. And these are little crisps. Let me try this.
So they are not exactly golgappa, they are primes. No? Prime आता है golgappa है more of a prime. Is it sour? Or
It's
sweet?
okay.
Sweet or sour?
Neither sweet nor sour. It's like more of a yogurt and mint chutney. Also, the puffs, they're not the actual one that we get in India. They're a little different than that. But it's okay, this crisp. Try one.
Because we call it prime, no?
Nor sweet nor sour. No?
Very strong mint flavor.
You know, the very strong minty flavor. It's not spicy. It's not sour. It's okay.
Oh. You want to see it?
Done with our lunch break. And how was it?
It was good for non-vegetarian. For vegetarian,
Yeah,
it
the
has like
safe
very
puri
less
was not
options.
that good, but the mango lassi is really good. We drank two
mango
and we took the third for to go. And now we've left again for a journey to Austin, and it is going to take 2 more hours.
It's right now saying like 1.5 hours. But
1.5, 2
with
hours.
traffic, like it might be. If you like stop for a bio break, then
Yeah,
might be 2 hours.
one. ठीक है. 100 miles है. So देखते हैं कब तक पहुंचते हैं, and फिर आपको दिखाते हैं वहाँ जाके कि वहाँ क्या है, because हमने भी नहीं देखा. It's going to be our first time as to Ichiban ramen.
I used to have it a lot.
I think this is a Korean. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Japanese one.
Japanese है Ichiban. Hibachi sushi. Yeah, it's a Japanese one. Chalo, let's go and take you there. Hello friends, and that, if you can see, is Austin.
Austin skyline.
Austin skyline. We are like 12 minutes, 9 miles far, and there we can see Austin, our destination. So guys, we are here at Embassy Suites. Let's go and check in and see what kind of hotel it is. And right now it's 3. And we'll quickly freshen up.
Yeah, first we will check in, then we will carry our luggages.
Yeah, rest a little, and then we'll see what Austin has to offer to us. Chalo, let's go. Guys, हमारे साथ लोलो चुका है क्योंकि हम दूसरे एम्बेसी सूट्स में स्टॉप कर लिया है हमने और पार्किंग के भी पैसे दे दिए. But this is not the one that we are supposed to stay in. So ours is another 14 minutes away, and the $17 have gone in vain. But it's okay, it's New Year's. Probably we'll get 170 back. In luck, we'll try our luck today. Chalo, let's go again, and then I'll show you असली वाला कौन सा है जहाँ पे हम रुकने वाले हैं. That is the Austin city, you guys, and that is the sun. Last sun of 2025.
That's down.
This is the downtown, Austin downtown. 2.5 miles to our destination. This is the lake, Bird Lake of Austin. So this is how the hotel looks like. That is the place where we're going to have a breakfast and drinks and bar. This is the check-in line. That's a cutie. This is the check-in line. It's really long. And that side we have the snacks. We've parked our car and now we're going for the parking. This is not the parking actually. The parking is a little in front. So we'll be going in parking. So this is the parking of the hotel. कितने रुपए की है? 3 hours, 6 hours, daily max. Daily max ही लेना पड़ेगा हमें, है ना? कितने का है daily max इसका?
Daily max is 55 rupees.
55? ओ भाई, $55 की पार्किंग टिकट है एक दिन की. बहुत महंगी नहीं है? ये सामने लगा सकता है. This is our hotel, the second floor, and we got our room quite quickly. The check-in process was pretty smooth. They just asked for an ID and we were in. And this is how the room looks like. We really got a pretty nice view because we just got it directly in front of the elevator. And this is the lobby. And downstairs is the food court and the dining area and the bar. This is the lounging area. We're just settling in. You can see this is the TV, work desk. Your office, yeah, for 2026. And then here we have a washroom. Lights. Yeah, so this is the seat. Quite comfortable. And this is the washing area. Let me see. Oh, they have the body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And it can be operated from here, hot and cold. It's fine, pretty convenient. And this is the bed. Nice, comfortable bed. And we have another TV with 2 sets of television here. And
See, if you just cross this bridge,
Yeah.
you can directly go to the downtown.
okay.
So it's very walkable.
Very
People are
walkable.
going walking.
Yeah, you can take
across the-
cycles. You can rent cycles and the little scooties also there. You can
Although
see.
like Austin is very walkable.
Yeah.
So you can just walk.
And there from our bedroom, we see the moon. That's the moon there, and that's the city skyline. Let's just settle in a bit, and then we'll go down and see what we can explore. And then go to the event.
Yeah,
Yay. And also on the check-in, they gave us the complimentary.
beverage.
It is alcoholic because she said adult drinks.
Because I'm a member, that's why.
Ah, okay, that is why. Breakfast, okay, that's why.
That's why they gave
That's
me.
nice. Beverage bucks, okay.
Valid for only house wine and beer, so it's only alcohol.
Only alcoholic, okay, so both
So-
goes to you.
These are two. What are these? The voucher entitles the designated bearer to one complimentary beverage during the evening.
Okay, so I can have it.
नहीं required at the time of the alcoholic beverage order.
शाम को भी है, that means 3 ना?
हाँ?
3 alcoholic beverages मिली है ना?
2 year. But
तो 4 हुई ना? मतलब per person 2 मिली है.
इनका person 2.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. न्यू ईयर की ड्रिंक्स मिल गई. $17 जो वहाँ लगे थे वो यहाँ वसूल हो गए. हाँ, you look nice.
Same बाल बने ना?
Yes. Okay, guys. Chalo, we'll rest a little in 10 minutes and then we're in a hotel. We just have this complimentary meal for us in the evening. There's some salsa, chips, salsa, and a little bread. So I'm going to see what I take. Took some chips, salsa, wheat chips, bread, cheese, and a little bean salad and water. They have Tex-Mex chips as well.